In the last episode, I cycled from Amsterdam to Noordwijkerhout, passing through Haarlem and Zandvoort. I spent the night in Noordwijkerhout, so I could get an early start, hoping to build the flower floats for the 2025 Bloemencorso parade. So I am here, and you are allowed to film, so that's great. So while I am waiting to get started, I'll show you around to all the floats. Creating a flower float begins with a framework which is sprayed with a foam that hardens. This forms the shape of the float. Once set, fresh flowers like hyacinths are added by hand. Each bloom is secured with using small metal pins in different sizes depending on the flower. It's precise, repetitive work done thousands of times to transform the float into a vibrant, fragrant masterpiece. It's in the making. I worked through to the late afternoon, helping bring the flower floats to life. With no affordable place to stay another night, I set off on the long ride home back to Amsterdam. I didn't capture much footage, my battery died, and I was focused on reaching the city before dusk. Good morning. It's a couple of days later now, and as you can see, I am in the train off to Haarlem, which I rode through on my way to Noordwijkerhout. So in Haarlem is the end destination for the flower float. So they're just sitting there. So I'm on my way there to see the finished product. So I've arrived at the floats now, so let's have a look at all these beauties. We did have some rain overnight, so I hope it didn't affect them too much. But let's have a look. It's nice how they made the palm trees with the leaves of a plant. Not sure exactly what it is. And then the stems made out of bulbs. And the pink that you see there are hyacinths leaves. The pink and the purple. So if only you could smell it, because these hyacinths, they are so fragrant. But look at this cute monkey. This one's for all the kiddies out there who love Dora.
3, 2, 1, kijken.
Zie je nu? Zie je kijken? Kijken naar mama. Ik zie Moos niet.
Mooi hè? Strikanta.
Well, this one is the winner. Brazilian carnival.
Ik ben heel smerig. Nou, uit wie das ist чувствуешь, как пахнет? Они уже не верят, как вот это девушка.
Links en rechts af. We hadden eerst een vorige kwartier met een oude boomslagen. Die had een heel...
Ik doe het wel hoor.
Ja. Lekker van even voor
Gisteren is natuurlijk een klap geweest met dat warme weer, hè?
Wat een absurd einde. Oh my god.
Ja, wel leuk.
Ja, oh. Nee, maar ik wil alleen het oude dan.
Dit is het toch?
Maar die is maar eens. Nou, dit gaan we goed. Ja.
This is behind the maybe smell this. Weer gaan van de deze tijd. So this is the float that I worked on, and over here this is the butterfly that I decorated, plus a few other bits and pieces. This one's called the Power of Flowers. And it turned out beautiful, just like all the others, really. So that was it for the flower floats. I really enjoyed it. It was just beautiful, from volunteering to help make the float, to cycling there, and now having a look at all the floats. Yeah, just beautiful, and you can really appreciate how much work goes into that. So yeah, hats off to all the people that organize it and all the volunteers. I believe there's like 1,500 volunteers that help make the floats and make it all happen. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'm going to end this video now and hop on the train back to Amsterdam, and I will see you in the next video.